Question 41 reads, the range of places and occasions listed in lines 72 to 76 mainly serves to emphasize how blank. When we have this word serves to, this tips us off that this is a purpose question. And with purpose questions, we always want to know that we're answering a why question. Why did the author do this? We're not answering what. But we still do need to know what the main idea or the what aspect of that is. Before we can say why you do something, you need to know what it is. And one of the best strategies you can use here is to be the author. Put yourself in the shoes of the author and ask yourself why you would write a certain part of your essay or your story or whatever it is. So let's go ahead and look at the passage. So first I'm going to underline the lines that they're talking about, and it says think, we must, in offices, blah blah, all the way until here. All these places where you should think. But again, we need to know the main idea, and to know the main idea, we need a little more context from that. So the part that's relevant starts in lines 59. So it says, but you will object, you have no time to think. You have your own battles to fight, your rent to pay, your bazaars to organize. That excuse shall not serve you, madam. So this part right here, she's saying, well, we have our lives to attend to. We have to attend to our lives to attend to. We can't think, we can't fight this battle for women's rights because, we have other things that we have to deal with. But Wolf is saying that's not an excuse. And she's saying, so if we can connect the dots, this is saying we have our lives to attend to. And then what she's saying says, but think always. She's saying think in all these places anyways. You're going about your life, but you still need to consider exactly what is happening and how women are being, objectified or subjected in society. So she's saying, yes, you have your lives to attend to, but think anyways. So when we look at the answer choices, we see that most represents letter choice B. It says pervasive. Pervasive means really it just extends far and wide. So she's saying, yeah, you look at all these places, all these occasions you should be thinking. It's very pervasive, and you really need to think about women's role in society. So it's not about how novel the challenge is, because again, she's not talking about that right now, and it's not complex. She's really saying, she's talking to the women here. She's not talking about the men. Letter choice D, enjoyable. Again, she's not talking about possible career possibilities. She's just saying to very typical places, offices, omnibus, and while you're doing all these other things. So our answer here is going to be letter choice B.